Hey everyone, KosDevLab here. This is my first ever YouTube video, and I wanted to tell you more about who I am, what's my journey so far, and what's my purpose on YouTube. First of all, my name is Konstantinos Panteli, and I'm from Cyprus. I'm 26 years old, and I'm a full-stack software developer. Where to start? You may know me from my Instagram page, KosDevLab. That's where I share my passion and also my career field, tech and coding, programming, everything related to that lifestyle, as well as the setup and how my workspace became something I take pictures of it for 1,000 times and share it with the people. Even Hardwell liked one of those setup pictures, which is insane. And I collaborate with a lot of brands around the world to showcase software as well as tech products which tend to make our life better, or it's just in junk, let's say. So I'm there to unbox, review, and do all this stuff. Regarding my tech journey so far, I am very fresh into this field. I am only working for 3 years, but let me take you back before that. So as soon as I was 18, I left my country, Cyprus, and I went to study abroad in the United Kingdom, especially in a city called Sheffield. That's where I did 3 years of undergraduate in software engineering. That's where I met a lot of great people, and it was the beginning of my programming journey. No, I didn't do it in high school. I never did it before. I just went after high school and then we actually had army for 1 year before that, and then we went to the uni. That's how the usual plan for Cypriots is. And then after I graduated, I went to Manchester to do my postgraduate in artificial intelligence. It was in around 2021, and it was uprising the AI era and stuff. So I wanted to know that field, but it seemed to be not that much appealing to me. So after 1 year doing my master's in Manchester, the University of Manchester, I decided not to follow that path. Even though I finished it, it was just not for me, and maybe it was not the best uni experience as it was during COVID. However, I had great time with people there. You know how COVID times was. If you could find those people to spend your time, that's it. Then I went back to Cyprus, and then I went back to the UK. But this time I went to London. And it was the September of 2021. Yeah, 2021 or 2022, doesn't matter. So that September, I went there without a job, changing from one Airbnb to another, trying to find a job. And in a month, I found a job. I was really dedicated, and I had a Notion list that I showcased which jobs I apply and so on. It was around 63 job applications I've done in a month, or maybe let's say 2 months, and constantly making your resume, you're updating your CV so much. It was crazy. And then I got a job, and ever since I'm working at the same company building fintech web applications. That's basically my quick overview of the job. I cannot get into specifications of what I do, but let's say I'm just a developer working with Ruby, Angular, HTML, CSS. Yeah, you know the cycle. And I really enjoy making mobile applications. It was basically one of my mobile applications that I've done was during my final year in the uni of Sheffield Hallam University when I was doing my dissertation project. And ever since that, I was like, wow, mobile applications seem to be the right fit for me. But I ended up in web. So, well, there was more demand in other ways, but I think I love doing mobile applications more on the side. So I keep it as a hobby for now. Also, apart from programming, a big part of my life is fitness, as I go 5 to 6 times per week to the gym, because coding and not having a healthy lifestyle is just going to be crazy, especially when you grow up, you need to maintain a healthy lifestyle. There's no other way. And at least for me, to keep my mental health and also physical goals that I have in life, because I really like bodybuilding and making my body look like, let's say, Greek god. That's one of my purpose in life, I would say, and it fits perfectly in my lifestyle, as I can finish work, go to the gym, or I can even start my day with the gym and then do work. So it suits my life so much, and I'm so grateful for it. For this YouTube channel, one of the things I would try to do and spread through these videos is my passion for the lifestyle I choose. I was lucky enough to find something that I truly love doing, and there's no overtime for me or nights working with coding and be upset about it. No, I really enjoy that, and I hope you find the same thing. So one key point is to enjoy what you're doing, and the second thing is to, if you didn't find it, keep on exploring and searching to find that thing, because it's really gonna be the most of the time of your life that you're gonna spend on this thing. So it's really important to find the right thing. And if you have other things that you really enjoy, this is the third part, keep them, but make sure to keep them as hobbies. So I really like this page and the cinematography I do behind videos and reels and stuff, and code and going to the gym, but I just know it's just for the side of myself, and I do it for the fun of it, and it keeps me balanced. And of course, the best part is with this page that I've been able to make with with my work and everything, it just made my life more interesting, and I wish that to everyone. So don't worry about opening up yourself to everyone. Don't worry about the criticism, what they're gonna say, and that. We don't care about that anymore. I think after your early 20s, you're gonna realize that nobody gives a damn about what you're doing or what you are trying to show and stuff. And my final message is, I hope that my page and whatever I share inspire you to do better, because basically that's the only reason I'm doing this. There's no other reason. And because apart from that, I really enjoy doing the content. So if I enjoy doing the content and you get inspired, it's a win-win for both. So I don't want to waste more of your time. See you on the next video.